In this video, I'll show you how to add a new highlight on Instagram without posting on your story. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Now, once you have all your highlight covers on your phone, we're going to go ahead and add them to Instagram. To create a new story highlight, you're going to tap on New under your bio. You're going to select a previous story that you have on your Instagram. Then you're going to tap on Next. You're going to give your highlight a name. And then to add our highlight cover, you're going to tap on Edit Cover. Then you're going to select this little image icon right next to your picture. And we're going to add the highlight cover that we just created. With your fingers, you can drag it out and make it bigger. And once your highlight cover is ready, go ahead and tap on Done. And there you have it. Now you're going to have a new highlight and a custom highlight cover on your Instagram. Hope that helps.